Across the globe, standing in silent testament to ages long past, are stone giants. Pyramids that pierce the sky, enigmatic stone circles and majestic temples stand as echoes, faint but persistent, of lost civilizations, whispering tales of forgotten empires. They left behind tantalizing clues to their daily lives, their beliefs and their societal structures. But one fundamental question towers above all others, a puzzle that has captivated historians and archaeologists for centuries. How, with the limited technology available to them, did they manage to build these colossal, monumental structures? Without the benefit of cranes, heavy-duty trucks, or any of the modern tools we take for granted, ancient builders somehow conceived of and then executed the movement of stones so unbelievably massive that even today's most advanced technology would be put to the test, and in some cases, would struggle to replicate their feats. The sheer scale of these projects is utterly staggering. Imagine the logistical nightmare of building with stones each heavier than several elephants combined, relying solely on the power of human ingenuity, utilizing only ropes, simple wooden logs, and rudimentary hand tools. From the sun-baked quarries of ancient Egypt to the windswept plains of England's Stonehenge, they defied logic and moved the seemingly immovable, organized vast workforces with incredible efficiency, and executed complex architectural plans with breathtaking precision and artistry. Their monumental achievements continue to challenge our modern understanding of engineering and inspire profound awe and wonder. Were their construction methods based purely on brute force combined with clever mechanical innovations, or did they perhaps possess some form of lost knowledge, a deeper understanding of physics or leverage that has since been forgotten? The ongoing search for answers to this enduring mystery is a testament to their undeniable genius, fueling countless archaeological expeditions and sparking passionate debate among experts. Every new discovery, every unearthed artifact brings us incrementally closer to a more complete understanding of their world and their remarkable capabilities. The silent stones remain, standing as a perpetual challenge, daring us to finally unlock the secrets of their ancient mystery. To truly grasp the sheer magnitude of ancient engineering feats, we need to recalibrate our understanding of what was once achievable. Consider for a moment a single 120-ton stone block, a weight heavier than even a massive blue whale, the largest animal on Earth, or perhaps comparable to the weight of a space shuttle, ready for launch. Sites like Baalbek in Lebanon stand as testaments to this incredible ability. They feature stones that reach up to a staggering 800 tons, stones we can barely imagine moving today. Even Stonehenge's sarsen stones, which appear almost manageable in comparison, weigh a considerable 40 tons each. These sarsens were moved over 20 miles across challenging terrain. Then there are the Great Pyramid's granite beams, some weighing up to 80 tons. These beams were not only quarried and shaped but also lifted to significant heights within the pyramid's internal structure. These incredible feats of engineering are global, not isolated incidents confined to one region. And beyond the immense scale, the precision achieved is just as impressive. Consider Puma Punku, where stones fit together with such accuracy, with some of these stones made from incredibly hard materials like granite and even diorite, materials that modern masons typically rely on diamond-tipped tools to cut and shape. Yet ancient builders quarried, meticulously shaped, and transported these massive blocks with remarkable patience, ingenuity, and skill. Their techniques included the laborious process of carving trenches directly into the rock face, carefully inserting wooden wedges into these trenches, and then using the expansive power of water to split the stone along the desired lines. Each individual block represented a massive investment, a significant commitment of both time and intensive labor. Their ultimate success stands as a powerful testament to the strength of community, the importance of meticulous organization, and unwavering determination in the face of seemingly insurmountable challenges. Ultimately, the stones themselves serve as the most compelling proof, concrete evidence of what was truly possible for these ancient civilizations. How did they do it? The construction of these ancient wonders continues to inspire awe and spark debate. Archaeologists point to a combination of factors including simple machines, incredibly clever techniques, and perhaps most importantly, massive human effort. The sheer scale of these projects demanded an enormous workforce. Ramps, spiraling or straight, allowed workers to haul massive stones on sledges, sometimes lubricated with water to reduce friction, making the impossible possible. Levers and rollers ingeniously turned, dragging into rolling, inching stones forward bit by bit, a testament to patience and perseverance. Tens of thousands worked in coordinated teams, a triumph of organization and project management, showcasing advanced planning capabilities. Experimental archaeology shows these methods work, given enough time and manpower, resources that were clearly available in abundance. Ancient engineers mastered practical physics, applying leverage and teamwork to overcome monumental challenges. The answer isn't one single trick, but a blend of ingenuity, adaptation, and relentless effort. Their legacy is proof of what human hands and minds can achieve when united by a common vision. Mainstream theories, ramps, rollers, manpower, don't explain everything, especially the precision at some sites. Some speculate about lost technologies, from acoustic levitation to stone softening compounds, but evidence is lacking. Modern science brings new tools. 3D scanning and radar reveal hidden structures and tool marks, testing old ideas and sparking new ones. Experimental archaeology proves many feats are possible with ancient tools and organization. Each site required unique solutions, adapted to local materials and challenges. The real marvel is not a single secret, but the diversity of methods and the brilliance of ancient problem solving. We're still rediscovering the full extent of their knowledge. These ancient structures still grip our imagination, humbling us with their scale and ambition. They remind us that ingenuity is timeless. Our ancestors were as creative and driven as we are. Megaliths challenge the myth of primitive ancient people, revealing complex societies with advanced knowledge. Solving their mysteries gives overdue credit to history's master innovators. The quest inspires new discoveries, blending archaeology, engineering, and science. Studying ancient techniques even offers lessons for sustainable building today. Most of all, these mysteries leave room for wonder, inviting us to keep asking questions. The stones endure, and so does our curiosity.